If you are looking for a lotion that will whiten you up, that will lighten you up, or make you 2 shades lighter, 3 shades lighter, I'm sorry, like this body lotion that I'm gonna be listing out now, it's not for you, because these body lotions, all of the 4 body lotions I'm going to be talking about here, are just gonna deeply moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, help with your sensitive skin. Ingredients are so amazing for the body. They have good and healthy ingredients. They don't have hydroquinone or steroids or harsh ingredients that would cause harm for your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's your girl, it's still your favorite girl, Choma Akujeze, and here on my channel I make skincare tips, I make product reviews here, and I also do DIY remedies. Okay, this video is basically going to be on product review. I'm going to be reviewing a particular brand that has been all over the place on the internet for a while. A lot of people have been talking about it, and it looks like people are beginning to use it more often. The demand for it is becoming too much. So I'm going to be reviewing this particular brand that has also been all over the place for a while. And this particular brand I'm going to be reviewing today is the Dr. Teals body lotion. This brand is an old brand. It has been existing for a while, but like I say, lately a lot of people have been using it lately. So like I selected like the four best body lotions that me. If you come to me and tell me that you want to start with any of the Dr. Teals body lotion, I would recommend one of these body lotions for you. Okay, why I actually picked out these body lotions to actually talk about today is because number one is that the packaging of this brand is a top notch, and it is a dermatological tested brand, meaning that it has been tested and formulated by dermatologists. Particular body lotion, everyone can use it. Teens can use it, adults can use it, men, women can also use it. It would glow your skin. When it comes to glowing the skin, this body lotion will definitely glow your skin no matter the complexion. So without further ado, let's quickly go to the first body lotion here on my list. The first of the Dr. Teals body lotion here on my list is the Dr. Teals Glow and Radiance with vitamin C and citrus essential oil body lotion. I love this particular body lotion so much because it is going to naturally brighten up your skin in an healthy way, like to brighten up your skin in an healthy way. This body lotion is perfectly formulated with aloe vera, shea butter, and vitamin E in it. Will help to hydrate and moisturize your skin. I'm doing this review for those who want to start up with this particular brand. Like you want to start up with the Dr. Teals body lotion and you were confused, you don't know the one to start up with. Okay, this is the reason why I'm making this video, so you'll be able to make a good and great choice. After this review, I believe that you'll be able to choose one that is going to be preferable for your skin type. Okay, so like I said, it is infused with citrus essential oils, cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E. It is not formulated or intended to do to whiten or brighten you up. That was not, it will not do any of those things for you. This Dr. Teals vitamin C and citrus essential oils are going to suit well for those with a light skin. Like if you have a light skin, you have a caramel skin, it is just going to keep your caramel and your light and caramel skin in check. If you're getting this product with the intention of lightening up, like I said, whitening, I'm sorry, it will not do any of these things. It is just intended to keep your light skin in check and help to glow your skin. So if you're a fair skin person and you want something like a body maintenance and also help to improve your skin tone, you want to try out this Dr. Teals citrus and vitamin C body oil. The texture is lightweight. If you have a dry, itchy skin, you would enjoy it, and it is also non-greasy, meaning that it's not gonna stick on your skin. Nope, it's not gonna do that on your skin. The second Dr. Teals body lotion here on my list is the Dr. Teals Lavender and Essential Body Lotion. Oh my god, it's just the packaging for me. Just look at this body lotion. It's the packaging and the lavender and essential oil. The fragrance is overwhelming. Oh, they have very good fragrances. Like their fragrance is so overwhelming and uplifting. So this one too is infused with cocoa butter and shea butter, shea butter and vitamin E. So when you see cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, you should know that when it comes to moisturizing and hydrating, this is going to do a whole lot to your skin. So what makes this one different from the other one? This body lotion is infused with lavender and eucalyptus. Oh my god, these essential oils are gonna do magic. When I mean magic, they're going to do magic on your skin. Now it provides a 24-hour moisture. Yes, it will actually do that because anything that actually has shea butter, cocoa butter will definitely moisturize your skin all day long. And because it actually has lavender, if you have an uneven skin tone, this one too would help to give you an even skin tone. If your skin easily gets inflamed, you can try this body lotion out because of the lavender essential oil that it is infused with. Like if your skin easily gets inflamed, you have redness on your skin and you have a bit of discoloration on your body, I want to try out this Dr Teals body lotion. It's of the lavender essential oil and it's that it is infused with. And if you're a lover of scent, if your skin can tolerate scent, you might want to try this body lotion out. So the third body lotion here on my list is the Dr Teals Oat Milk and Argan Oil. Oh my god. It is the oat milk and argan oil for me. Like, this has a lot of varieties. They have lots of varieties. They have rose water. They have a whole lot. Like they have a whole lot. But like I just picked out 4 of my fave. This particular one is giving me joy because if you know what oat milk does to the skin, don't you? Do you know oat milk does to the skin? Oat milk can give you a baby skin. Like oat milk will help to restore your skin and also help for discoloration too. So it is the oat milk that it is infused with for me. That was why I'm like, no. I can't skip this one. I cannot omit this particular body lotion. This particular oat milk is full of nutrients that help your skin retain its natural moisture. Oat milk is now combined with argan oil. Oh my god, to comfort and renew your skin. Because of this, the argan oil in it will help to improve your skin's complexion. The lotion is formulated with skin softening oat milk. So if you're looking for a soft and a clear glowing skin, then you might want to even consider this oat milk too, okay? This lotion is formulated with skin softening oat milk, argan oil, cocoa butter and shea butter to help towards moisturize the skin. The restorative blend brings back moisture to the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. If you have a very rough skin, your skin is rough, dry, rough skin, and you have a very dull skin, your skin is dull, no matter what you're using, your skin is dull. I think you want to try using this Dr Teals oat milk argan oil infused with it. This particular body lotion that has oat milk and argan oil, you might want to try it out. So this lotion relieves dry skin, itchy skin caused by rashes, with dry skin, itchy skin that has been caused by rashes and eczema. When it comes to balancing your skin complexion, it's going to do it. When it comes to improving your skin complexion, it's going to do it. So like this oat milk is a total package too. So if you're a lover of oat milk, if you have a dull skin too, you might want to try out this oat milk and argan oil body lotion. The last body lotion here on my list is the Dr Teals Nourishing Coconut Oil Body Lotion. This restorative blend brings back moisture to the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. If you've also been paying attention to what I've been saying, the 4 body lotions that I've been talking about here since would do what? They would help to bring back moisture to the skin, moisture that is lost. They will help to give you a moisturizing skin. These are body lotions we need. We don't need body lotion that will bleach or whitening up and body lotions that will strip you of moisture because you are trying to whitening up or lightening up your skin in one way or the other that I don't understand. I think you need to use body lotions that will moisturize your skin, that would hydrate your skin, and will give you that youthful plump. Coconut oil is infused with shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil in it. This Dr Teals body lotion, I think all their brands is specifically formulated with shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E oil. The lotion is also a lightweight moisturizer. Majority of their lotions are lightweight moisturizer. It is not greasy and skin softening and nourishing. Okay, so guys, these are the 4 of the Dr Teals body lotion here that I have for you guys. Okay, like, these body lotions are total package. They are safe to use. They will help to restore your skin barrier and help with moisturizing for your skin. Like, I hope you found this video really helpful and you'll be able to make your preferred choice of body lotion, guys. So if you want to get any of these body lotions, there are links in my description box where you can get the body lotion and get it delivered anywhere you are. Thank you so much for watching me up to this point. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button, like, comment, share, show your support to your girl. Watch my videos, even the ads, watch it too. God bless you guys big time. Like, you guys are so amazing. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel to be part of the family. Okay, and until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.